What's up, everybody? Thumpr Fishing. Today is February 6, 2025. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. We're getting a little bit later start, but that's fine. It is 69 degrees, all sunny, nice and warm. I think they're saying it might hit 80 today. The wind should be 4 to 6, and then around 1 o'clock it's going to pick up to about 8, 9. That's right around the time we head out anyway. Yesterday was even more better than this. Probably the best looking condition wise day that I have seen all year so far. We hit mid 80s, there was no wind, and it was just sunny as can be. I was all packed up ready to go fishing, but unfortunately I had some last minute things come up and I couldn't go. So that tease yesterday has me wanting to get back out there and do a redo. And so today we're gonna go get out there and get after it. Now we're gonna be doing something different because the last few trips I have not been able to get on the fish at all. Well, I mean, I've been lucky here and there. So I'm wiping the slate clean. We're going to a new spot. We're gonna head to a spot called Rinker Canal, I think it is. And we're also going to be fishing deeper water, which I usually don't do. And then I'm going to rig up some stuff that I have never used. It's just been sitting on my shelf that I thought was, ooh, that's probably pretty good. This is a new spot. I have seen pictures of the launch. This is the pictures of the launch. It looks small, so I'm not sure how with my kayak and the wheels and how getting it off. And I'm hoping it's not just a straight drop off the end of that little kayak launch. But that's the only thing I've been seeing on maps as the kayak launch for this area. So I guess I will find out and I will let you guys know about this area and as far as kayak launching, and we'll see how it goes. So this video is a new spot. It's a Hail Mary. Stay tuned, everybody. Enough jibber jabber. Let's go get after it. We're gonna have to take down the rods. It's too narrow in here. Can't be 100% set up, unfortunately. So let's take these down. I'm thinking since it's wood, we shouldn't be scratching up the bottom too much. I'm thinking because I don't think there's enough room to lay the thing on the side. So I'm thinking we'll just slide her forward. Let's get these straps disconnected here. And we'll get the seat on. All right. These are new wheels for me, so everything's taking a little longer than usual. But that's all right. The best way to figure things out is just keep trying. Okay. I mean, that works. All right, guys. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go take the wheels back to the car. Okie dokie. I think we're ready. Let's push her in the water, I guess. I probably should have put that rudder guard on, honestly. Let's move you guys this way. I don't want to slip here. All right, that's set. Fish finder initiated. Rudder engaged. We have liftoff. The only downfall with today that I found is going to be that it is a south wind, and because of that south wind, it's going to be blowing right in here. So maybe not the best of time to pick this spot, but hey, you never know, right? Little trout. That's like number 6 that I've caught off camera, about that size. All right, we're gonna try and make our way to the mouth of this because I see some birds over there. And if you see birds eating, it's usually a good sign. That means there's bait. And if there's bait, there's usually predators. So we're gonna head over there.
Looks like gator territory to me. Nice trout. Right in between those two manatees too. Wow. On the curly tail grub there. That's a nice trout. Nice little trout. Biggest of the day. Thanks, buddy. You guys see that? There's a pig over there. Big old pig. I was like, what the heck is that in the woods? No. Phew. He's kind of spooked the fish. There was fish blowing up back there. And I had a tarpon come up and he hit it, but I missed him. Decent sized one too. But those manatees I think have spooked most of the fish in here. That was pretty cool though. That was a good sized hog. You gotta watch out for those guys. Another trout. There we go. Nice little trout. Like I said, today I just want to use things that I usually normally don't use. And today I'm using this little, it's kind of like a gulp, like a curly tail. I was hoping we could get us a tarpon. I've had 2 tarpon hit it. Good sized ones too, but I just could not.
don't want to complain because I've been saying it's been too cold, but whew, it is hot. My car's sitting in the sun. It says 89. Well, I know it's not that hot out, but the car is. Long pants, long shirt, and those water socks. I was boiling. It's a hot one today. Low 80s. Oh my goodness. Well, you know how would I say when I'm fishing a new spot, I usually don't do that best. I'm usually too busy off exploring and all that. I was catching so many little trout that I just stopped recording them because it was, I probably caught 24 little trout, which is still fun. I started throwing my light setup and was just having fun with those. I did have 2 pretty good sized tarpon come up and try and hit that paddle tail like 2 feet right before I pulled it out of the water into the kayak. So it was real close. There is some tarpon in there. They were going for it, but just real, like, you know, finicky. They weren't, you know, smashing it. In the very beginning of the morning, I did see some snook. They were really tucked up in those mangroves. Of course, I snagged my my lure in the tree, had to get it, spooked them, and I really didn't see too many of those, the snook, throughout the rest of the day. I did come across some black drum working the edge there. Couldn't get them to bite, and then they moved on. I did watch a guy in a boat hook into 1 black drum, but he was sitting there for a good 2 hours using bait, and then he got the 1. Didn't see any redfish. Strange. But like I said, when I'm fishing a new spot, you know, there's a lot deeper water than I'm used to. It was averaging 9 to 11 feet deep most areas. It was going from like a 2-foot shelf almost to a, you know, a straight drop. We paddled around a lot today, but overall I like it. I'll definitely come back and fish this spot. The only downfall is the kayak launch. It literally goes right in the water and then it's a drop off. Putting on my wheels, when you have I have a hobie outback, and I need to put on my wheels, I need to lift up and then set on the wheels. There's not enough room to put the wheels next to your kayak. I barely could fit it, and my wheels almost fell in the water, and goodbye. So you got to drag it all the way up off that. So next time I come here, I think I'm going to bring my mat. I have like a little carpet mat that I lay down. That way I can pull it up off of that little wooden kayak launch. So keep that in mind. If you have a bigger kayak, you know, an Old Town, any pedal kayaks really that are a lot wider, you're gonna have a hard time, you know, loading and unloading on that little wooden dock. It's pretty sketch, and then it's pretty deep around it, like 3 feet, 4 feet, something like that. So that's the only downfall. It's just a little difficult to you know, launch the kayak. But overall, glad I could get out today. Like I said, nothing crazy. I was just happy just to catch some fish. Caught, like I said, like 24 small little trout. There's a couple decent ones, but nothing to write home about. Anyway, I'm gonna try and get out again here soon. Maybe even tomorrow. I'm not sure. I'm itching for some fish that pull some drag, because today nothing was pulling any drag. So, but great day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, we'll see where we go next. Catch you in the next one. Tight lines. Peace. Oh, one more thing before I got. I don't know if it's gonna come out on camera, or well, maybe you saw it in the video if it did come out on camera, but I heard something big moving in the mangroves, and I was like, what the heck is that? And there was a group of hogs. I got maybe about 5 feet from them because I didn't know they were there, and I think I scared him more than, you know, he scared me. But as soon as I said, hey buddy, what you doing? He looked up and was like, yep, nope, and he went out. That's the thing you got to watch out for, more so than the gators, is those hogs. One time I did come here and I was shore fishing, and I did see like 6 little piglets. I think that's what you call those little hogs. But especially if they got babies, you want to be careful.